I'm back, and this is one of my favorite kitchen sinks. Okay, so first, what is the sink? The sink is by Blanco, and it is the 700U Etagon, or the Etagon 700U. I don't know which way you say it, but that's the sink. So it's a very large sink, and it's got a kind of ridge on the inside to create a second layer. Okay, let's go through why I love this sink so much. I've made a TikTok video on it. I think I made a few TikTok videos on this sink, but I thought I would go through with you guys in a bit more detail why I love this sink so much. Okay, so first let's talk about the size. So the size is one of Blanco's largest standard size sinks. So it's a 700 ml wide sink. So it's extra large. You can kind of almost fit two sinks inside this one sink. So if you kind of do a lot of cooking in the oven and you're always cleaning oven trays, this is a really good sink for you. If you have a large family and there's lots of dishes, or if you're just like me and you use almost every utensil, bowl, pot, pan while you cook, then this sink is also great for you. So you can keep all of your dirty dishes in the sink until you're ready to clean them, which for me is usually like at the end. I do not clean as I cook. I should, but I don't. So this is a really nice sink for me because it's large and can keep all my mess inside hidden. Another thing that I really like about the fact that this is a large sink is that if you have a drainer on the side of your sink, you can keep it on the side while you're washing your dishes and then actually pick it up and put it inside your sink when you want your dishes to drain and you're finished washing your dishes. So then when you're looking at your kitchen, all of your worktops are clear and you don't have kind of like an ugly draining board on the side there. It's kind of inside the sink, a little bit hidden. I just think big ugly drainers kind of ruin the look of a clean, clutter-free kitchen. So next, let's talk about what makes this sink very unique to any other sink, which is that there's an integrated step inside the sink which creates a second level, which you actually, I'm back. The sink comes with these two rails, and you rest these rails on that ledge and it kind of creates a second level to your sink. So say you had some dirty dishes in your sink and then you wanted to also wash some fruit. You maybe don't want to put the colander kind of in the sink next to your dirty dishes, so you can rest it on these rails and it's just away from the dirty dishes, and you can keep using your sink even though you still have dishes to wash, because again, if you're like me and you leave your dishes to the end, then you're gonna have dirty dishes in your sink, but still use it for prepping. So yeah, if there's anything that can help me not have to wash my dishes straight away, then that is great for me. I know I shouldn't be like that. I should be like the person who just washes the dish straight away, but nobody's perfect. If you've liked the points that I've made so far about this sink, definitely give this video a like so I know to make more videos like this on kind of individual appliances or products within the kitchen to help you guys out. The next point is the finishes that it comes in. So say you have a kitchen with gold hardware, maybe you don't want a stainless steel sink because it will just clash. I know mixing metals is in now, but maybe you're not a fan of that trend, or maybe you just want to keep your kitchen gold hardware only. Well, this sink actually comes in 9 seal granite colors, so I think it would look really nice with a all black seal granite sink, or even an all white seal granite sink if you had gold hardware, for example. I'd say that the white one goes nicely if you have a lighter color scheme kitchen, whereas if you're going to go for like a black and gold kitchen, then I think that the black or the anthracite go really well. And of course, if you want a stainless steel sink, this Etagon 700 also comes in stainless steel. So if you had a stainless steel tap and you want your sink to match the tap, then yeah, go with the stainless steel finish. So that is great. So you've got 9 seal granite colors to choose from, as well as stainless steel. Also, what I think is really nice about these colors is that if you have a worktop that's one of the 9 seal granite colors or similar to it, then you could have the illusion that the worktop kind of just continues down into the sink, or that the sink kind of has disappeared because it just blends into the worktop color. Though I prefer the 700 wide sink, it does also come in a 500 mil wide, so that could fit in a standard 600 wide unit, which in smaller kitchens or even medium-sized kitchens, I'd say it works, because a 500 sink, you can still fit an oven tray. It's a bit more snug. It's a lot more snug actually, but you can still fit an oven tray in a 500 mil wide sink. So there's also that option if you like the sink, but it's too big for your kitchen. And also, this is an undermount sink. So the worktop goes on top of the sink. So it's just a really nice finish, but it can also get it as an inset sink. Okay, so that is why I love this sink so much. I hope you enjoyed, hope you see the benefits of this sink. If it could work in your kitchen and this video has helped you, I am glad. And I've linked another video here for you to watch next. This is on the reasons why I love this kitchen that I've designed and the key features of this kitchen. It's a really good one. It's one of my favorite kitchens I've ever designed, so definitely give that one a watch next. And I'll see you in the next one.